Alright, what's going on, YouTube? 1280, how's it going? Well, oops. Just try to figure this out. There we go. What's going on? Well, we're gonna do a driving video in the rain. So, here we go. A little driving video in the rain, kind of test out the new wipers. See how they do. Okay, so that got a little heat because it's cool and kind of keep the windshield from keep the windshield from fogging. Oh, sorry. Okay. Hope it's not out of focus. I tapped the screen without realizing it. There we go. It's just a driving video in the dark rain. It's raining. I mean, it's pouring like a son of a bitch. So, and it's also to test out the new wipers, see how they do. Oh, look at that blue glow. That is weird. That's weird. Hear the water. That is a weird glow. What is that? Let's check that out. What is that? I don't see it anymore. That was a weird glow. What was that? Oh, you know what? It's that digital sign. That's what it is. Or yeah, that digital sign. That's what that glow is. That was creepy. Never seen that before. It's super bright. I've never driven in pouring rain like this in my new Focus with the minivan style wiper blades like that. So I wanted to see how they're doing, and they're doing good. I also wanted to see how the car handles in flash flood situations like it is. So far it's doing quite well. Whoa! Wow! That was impressive lightning. Really pouring now. It was really picking up. Wow, here it comes. It's picking up now. Storming, so I wonder if the power's gonna go out again. It does that a lot around here for some reason. I guess it's all the trees. They don't prune them correctly. Holy crap, it's pouring. Look at that. Oh, kind of cool. So far, my Fusion, or not Fusion, why do I keep saying Fusion? Focus is doing a really good job with the rain. She handles it quite well. Handling it like a pro. Supposed to. Wow, it is really coming down. Plus, I know somebody on YouTube. Garage Genius. Garage Genius. Anyway, loves this rain. Loves this type of weather. So this is for him too. Yeah, but Focus is doing a good job. I will say, it's doing a pretty good job. Oh, that's the turn lane. Crap, I didn't even see that. Now let's fix it. I'm glad I saw that because I was going to hit the curb. I would have blown out the tire. Oops. Alright, didn't see that. It's like no street lights on this street. Why is there no street lights? No, that's a power cut over on this. No, there's buildings that have lights, so. I don't know. Now there's street lights. These street lights are out. Must be power must be out here. It's lightened up a bit. There we go. So we lightened it. Rain lightened up. So you got street light here, so. I knew we were going to get stormed at some point today, or this evening, because it rained a little bit this morning, and then it got really, sunny and really humid quick. So it was like that practically all day. I mean, it got cloudy and was cloudy for like a few hours, then it went sunny again. So don't know what person's tailgating me. You're an idiot. I'm doing 5 over the speed limit and it's raining. You, sir, are an idiot. You're proud of yourself for that. Turning. Alright, come on. I don't know why it's so smeary. See, it's definitely flash flooded. See how it does taking off. There we go. Little water there. Wow, did a good job. Ow. If you heard me say oops, I had my high beams on. I know you're not really supposed to do that in rain, but when it's super dark out, and there's like when it's dark at nighttime out and there's no freaking street lights, and I turn them on, that way I can freaking see where I'm going. But yeah, this Focus is doing great. It's doing a good job in this rain. Doing better than the Camry did, that's for sure. Definitely doing way better than the Camry. Dude, high beams. Is your high beam on? I don't know. Your high beams are on. Good God. Oh, Christ. Wow. You have a lot of standing water here. Oh, okay. A lot of standing water. Anyway, that's really what this video is about. It's just driving at night in the rain and testing my wipers. Slipped a little there. That kind of gunned it now on purpose just to kind of see how it deal, and it does pretty good. It'll do quite well. Nice. Lightning. No, power's not out. Because these street lights on the bridge are on. Last time we had a storm and it knocked out the power. Those street lights on the bridge and down this way, the power was completely out, and I was cleaning my apartment, and it was out for about an hour and a half. So my guess is lightning hit a transformer. Caused it. City outside of being lost power too, and where my grandma, uncle, and aunt lives, lost power too. So it was more than just me that lost power. Wow, the lightning with this storm. There we go. There is me driving. I hope you enjoy.